Right, folks,
Straight out in the sun.
here show them what we caught for the morning. Oh, quite a
We have a
variety.
boucher here. The way you call a boucher, you could tell by the stripes. You see? It's like a zebra. And this here is what they call, we used to call this fish kaba. This fish here we used to call it kaba. I don't know why. It's just looking like kaba. Right, and this one here, well, who ain't gonna know to what? This is all that have dog here. And we hold one shrimp. You see it here? A piece of him gone, but it's still a shrimp.
There's a lot of water bottles and stuff here.
That's what you want to show people what about those?
That is the most vital supply. You cleaning our cock shrimps like you're doing that years, boy.
No, I would like if I could get help. It would be nice. I don't know who can help me.
Why? Sometimes help is needed. Help wanted. Help.
Taping me, boy, sir?
Cleaning it like a wasabi chef.
I'm trying to fill it here, get out all the... Make it all easier for me to fry. You see when they like that, it'll be real nice, No matter it's a little small, it's still good eating. You know what I'm saying?
Ha.
Good eating.
Good riddance.
When we come here, we don't play. We don't play. Playing is for Charan. There's big people out here.
Oh God. Well, he's so lazy he cannot clean a few fish.
This teamwork, when we come along here and you expect me to hold all the fish and clean all the fish.
I hold all the fish.
What you hold?
What your fishes he want me to clean there? A whole heap of fish. Whole heap of fish and them I try to fight down me. Alright, we're preparing the meal here. See the fish is seasoned up, we gotta shake it up, mix it up. We got some new crumbs thing to try and we're gonna fry it in butter. The fire's ready to go, just a flick of a lighter and it's gonna blaze. Look at the chef wasabi here. You got a mixing method down to point. Tell the people how you're mixing the fish like a professional, so.
I mean, I just mix it, yeah. What are you talking about?
This is a born thing, born with the chef the bars.
That's just skills I have. I have these skills, but people see it. Just their secret. But if they continue watching the videos, they will see it.
You'll unleash the power.
Every time. You understand?
Okay,
Let's see
Godfather.
this done here. It's gonna be real nice. We're gonna try a different method today. We're gonna use butter and we're gonna dip it in our batter and try and fry it and see how it's gonna come out.
A butter and a batter.
Understand?
It's gonna be delicious.
People that say you can't cook this and you can't cook that, you can cook anything you want to cook. You can mix it anyhow, do anything. You only have to try it once and if you don't like it, well, don't try it again. That's all simple. You love this all that?
It's mad people.
Crazy people out here,
Just the
boy.
crazy people out there. Are you ready to go? Ready to catch up the fire?
Not yet.
Blaze up the chalice.
You come back to them in as you just say now, what you say?
In a jiffy! Okay, brah. Back into the action. Look at that, people. Look at that. Look at that. Butter fried, butter fried. Look at butter and butter in the container. Hey, butter man.
Huh?
Talk to the people about the butter.
I say just see this.
You're recording all now, brother.
I don't want to hear nothing right now. You see right now.
Is it?
Huh?
I don't know. I don't think so.
People will see and they will know what you all come here to do. You understand? Don't let burn nobody.
Watch now, wait now, watch some, boy. Go back there, go back there.
Watch what?
Alright. Well, we finished cooking the fish here, and we put 3 sausages there. But I saw something, this guy hasn't seen it yet, but we shall all see it together. Read what it says here, boy. Come on, read what it says. Vagrant's appetite growing for better food. Look to Piper there. The means to Piper, look what here. Look what here. We appetite. He taking over San Fernando. Vagrant's taking over San Fernando.